Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we have learned how to initialize this boost ML class. Also we compared it with the other ML classes we have learned, and in this video we are gonna check these three functions with these three parameters, which are the boost type, weak count, and the weight trim rate. Actually we can directly switch to the code part. This is the code from the previous video, and I just added some cout, and I actually changed the circular data because somehow I lost the code. So if we run again, basically it was just we were just adding some manually adding these data, circular two data, outer and the inner ones, and here we are just initializing the boost object, and after that we are directly training, nothing else we are doing. So this is already the output with the default parameters, which is working fine. So let's start. First of all, I started here weak count, but maybe the type we are starting is more better, which is boost type. And here let's see the default one. First of all, it says the default one is 1, which is, if we go to the boost types, which is in here. So discrete, real, logit, and the gentle. Actually this is the default one, as we can see in here in the output console. Real is the default one, and it says here this is the real ADA boost, and this mostly is good. Also gentle is good. These two is mostly preferred ones. And after that, if you do not have a noisy data, discrete is gonna be good. Also logit is mostly, the purpose of the usage is mostly for the statistical data, so it's not preferred really much. We can check all how the changing the boost type is affecting our result. For example, we already see the boost. Let's see again how it looks like. So this is looking like this one, so it's giving this result. So we can change again it into the set boost type, which is boost. Let's try gentle, which is my expectation can be very similar to the real one. I can say it's better because in the real this point was outside of the boundary, but now it's getting that point also. Yeah, real and gentle is good, but let's try first of all discrete. I don't have a really noisy data. What I mean by saying noisy is I do not have some data around, inside, or this is my data. It can be discriminative data, so it can easily distinguish. So it's also doing, but a bit different it's doing, but it's also successful. From logit I don't have much expectation. Let's see. But even the logit is working fine for my example. Yeah, so we couldn't see a very big difference for this one. We can go to the get weak count. We can comment for now this one. So weak count is about the we can say the number of trees, number of shallow trees. So if you are increasing the weak count, it's gonna increase the accuracy because it's using more tree items. On the other hand, if you are increased really much, then you have a risk to make it overfitting. So default you see is 100. For example, if we are let's start with decreasing. So if we decrease the weak count, if we decrease the tree number, then the expectation, let's say make 50, the result is not gonna be really better. Still better. Let's make it 120. It's still better. Let's make it 1, because yeah, you see now it cannot distinguish very well. Let's make it 5. Yeah, still not good. Maybe let's try with 10. Yeah, with 10 is good. But yeah, weak count is the tree number, but if you are increasing 1000, maybe it will not overfit because I don't have something noisy here. Yeah. The next one we can check is the get weight trim rate. This is also about how faster it's gonna trim, it's gonna get into the results. Defaultly 0.95. if close to the 1, it's gonna be iterating more and it's gonna give you mostly better results. But if you decrease it, also you will see the results are not such good. Set weight trim rate, and let's make it, let's say 0.1. Yeah, you see it's not giving anything even. Let's try with 0.5. Still not a good data. With 8, yeah, with 8 is trying at least, but still not good at all. So this should be close to the 1 is mostly preferable. So also default, you see 0.95 is the default value. So basically in this video we check these 3 functions, how they look like, and thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.